Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'm going to show you how to turn a normal photo into a clay figurine animations easily using PixVerse. No editing skills needed and you can even do it for free. So let's get started. First, just open PixVerse. You can use it on the websites or the mobile app like this, and then next just log in using your Google account and don't worry about the credits because PixVerse will give you free daily credits so you can try this without paying anything. And then after logging in, just go to template sections like this. This is where PixVerse provides ready-made animation styles, and then just tap on the search bar and then just type clay motions. This one, just tap on it, and then next just use template. This template that will transform your photo into a cute clay figurine animations, and then now just upload the photo that you want to transform. Like for example like this, and then next just tap on create. This one, just tap on it, it will take 20 credits. Just tap on it and then go back and go back again and go to mine and wait for the process. Okay, like this, your video is ready. Let's try to play it. Okay, like this. PixVerse will process your image and turn it into a clay animations. And then now your normal photo is, and then next your normal photo is now a clay figurine animations like this. It's so cute. The result, honestly, it's so cute. And then next, and okay, maybe that's it. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more tutorials. Thanks for watching and see you.